Hi all. In this session, we'll see how we can install and configure Sonatype Nexus Artifactory or Sonatype Nexus OSS on a CentOS system. So currently, I'm there on my Vagrant box. So first and foremost thing, I have switched user to the root, and I'm going to um, install Java first. So as it's CentOS system, I'm using yum package manager yum install -y java 1.8.0 openjdk. Nexus is very much compatible with 1.8.0 openjdk, so I have chosen that version of Java and click enter. So now meanwhile, once the process is going on, I'm downloading the Nexus for Linux. Download. I'm in the downloads page now, and I'll copy the URL for the latest version, copy link address, and you can see Java has been installed successfully. Let me verify the version. Java version, yeah, it is 1.8.0. Now we have to download the tar file. So I'm using wget. I'm going to download it now. Yeah, now the tar file has been downloaded. Let's verify. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now it's time to extract this tar file. So tar-zxvf, the tar file name -c, and where we want to extract this. I'm extracting it to opt folder. Now the tar file has been extracted. Let us verify once. ls, yes, you see that you have two folders here, Nexus and also the Sonatype work. So now the main script for launching the Nexus will be in the bin folder of the Nexus, within the Nexus Artifactory folder. And the log for when installing the Nexus will be in the Sonatype work. I'm going to change the ownership. I'm going to give ownership for Vagrant user, as I'm using a Vagrant box on the opt Nexus folder, and also for the Sonatype work, because once I um, exit from the root user, I will be on the Vagrant. I'll be using the Vagrant user. Ideally, you can also create a Nexus user separately, but as the Vagrant user is already there, I'm using that only. That being done, the next step is to edit the credentials. So the nexus.rc folder, file contains the user, which will uh, which that particular user will be used to run Nexus. So as I'm using Vagrant, I have updated it as Vagrant. Now the next step is to run Nexus as a service, and there are several ways to do that. So my favorite is to use this particular script. So I'm going to copy it and paste it in a notepad, and I'm going to change the user from Nexus to Vagrant. And we have to give the execution path there. So currently this is the path where the Nexus script is located. So I'm going to copy and paste it here in the execution start, and also at the execution stop. both I have edited now. So I'll give vi etc system system md system, and I'll name the service as nexus.rc, sorry, nexus.service. Now I'll copy and paste the content which I have saved in the I have created in the notepad. Copy that and paste it there and save and exit. Once that is done, to activate we have to first reload the daemon. So sudo systemctl daemon hyphen reload. Once that is done, the second step is to enable the nexus.service. So sudo systemctl enable nexus.service, and it has created a system link. And the third one is to start the nexus uh, service. Copy and paste, and looks like it has started. So let us verify the status. Yeah, it is saying that it is running, but it will take approximately based on your system speed from 5 to 10 minutes. So let us verify the log. Tail hyphen f opt sonar type work nexus 3 sorry, nexus 3 and log. I think let me go to the path and check it myself. Sonar type nexus 3 ls, and yeah, log. This is where the log will be stored. So tail hyphen f nexus dot log, and it is still starting. And it has started on my system. Once you see this particular message that sonotype nexus oss has been started, that means it will be accessible from the browser. So I'll go to the browser now, and I'll copy the IP. The IP is 192.168.33.10. I'll copy that, paste it on the browser, and it runs on the port 8081. Enter. Yeah, now you can see the Artifactory is up and running. It will give the administration password path, so we have to copy that. So as I'm currently using a, yeah, I'm going to copy this, and I'll give the default user is admin, and the password I'll paste it here and sign in. This is a setup wizard. This is where you can change the password. So I'm going to use admin123, and also admin123. I'll confirm the password. Click on next. You can choose any password of your choice. I'm enabling the anonymous access so that even though we have signed out, you still should be able to see the artifacts. And that's it. And these are the default repositories which you'll get. If you want, you can create new repositories. And also under the system, we have the API support, within which there are several things you can do with the help of the API provided by Nexus. And the important one which we'll use is to get and download the artifacts. I forgot the name. Let me check that. Yeah, search and download the assets. This is the important one which we'll be using, and we will look into that in the future sessions. Thanks for watching.